when you see these birds for the first time, then it looks that you are seeing some birds from paradise. These beautiful birds are fly very slowly from one branch of the tree to another branch like a weightless object is flying. The Indian paradise flycatcher, Terpsiphone pardesi, is a medium-sized passerine bird native to Asia, where it is widely distributed. As the global population is considered stable, it has been listed as least concern on the IUCN Red List since 2004. It is native to the Indian subcontinent, Central Asia and Myanmar. Adult Indian paradise flycatchers are 19 to 22 cm long. Their heads are glossy black with a black crown and crest, their black bill round and sturdy, and their eyes black. Females are rufous on the back with a greyish throat and underparts. Their wings are 86 to 92 mm long. Young males look very much like females but have a black throat and blue-ringed eyes. As adults, they develop up to 24 cm long tail feathers with two central tail feathers growing up to 30 cm long drooping streamers. Young males are rufous and have short tails. They acquire long tails in their second or third year. Adult males are either predominantly bright rufous above or predominantly white. Some specimens show some degree of intermediacy between rufous and white. Long-tailed rufous birds are generally devoid of shaft streaks on the wing and tail feathers, while in white birds the shaft streaks, and sometimes the edges of the wing and tail feathers are black. Males may be polymorphic for rufous and white plumage color. Rufous birds may be subadults, and there may even be two sympatric species distinguishable only in the male. Indian paradise flycatchers' breeding season lasts from May to July. Being socially monogamous, both males and females take part in nest building, incubation, brooding, and feeding of the young. The incubation period lasts 14 to 16 days and the nestling period 9 to 12 days. The nest is sometimes built in the vicinity of a breeding pair of drongos, which keep predators away. The female lays up to 4 eggs in a neat cup nest made with twigs and spider webs on the end of a low branch. Chicks hatch in about 21 to 23 days. A case of interspecific feeding has been noted with paradise flycatcher chicks fed by Indian white-eyes. This bird is the state bird of Madhya Pradesh and is referred to as Dudhraj locally. This bird is mentioned in Satyajit Ray's Feluda detective stories Chinnumastar Obhishap and Jahangir Swarnamudra. We are lucky that this bird is found all over India, as well as Central Asia and Myanmar, generally in forests and well-wooded areas, but also in large parks in big cities.
Through our channel, we provide videos of animals and birds from time to time. We provide you with various interesting videos and information about animals. If you like our channel video, then give our channel a like, comment and subscribe and stay with us.